Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the BASEDAWGZ token. Now this is a brand new pre-sale. This is an ICO that they're having on their own webpage. Some people, a lot of people out there think that there's a lot of controversy over these ICOs where they do initial coin offerings on their own webpage because there's no third party to verify things, so they can be pretty sketchy. So we're going to go over the information on the BASEDAWGZ token. We're going to look for audits. We're going to see if there's any potential red flags, any warning signs that this could potentially be a scam. We're going to look for that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token has been advertised all over the place, all sorts of different news articles from crypto sites advertising this BASEDAWGZ pre-sale. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen over there, at BASEDAWGZ, and DAWGZ is spelled DAWGZ. It says multi-chain adventures in Base, ETH, Sol, BSC, AVAX. It says buy DAWGZ now, and then it has a link to their Telegram, which is at BASEDAWGZ on Telegram. Has a link to their webpage, basedawgz.com. And if you go to that webpage, that's where the pre-sale is happening. That's where you can find also all the other links, like their full white paper, their audit, etc. So basically all the links you're going to need is on that Twitter right there, and then on the webpage, which is linked on the Twitter. And they also have here 1,917 Twitter followers so far, 50 tweets so far. Their Telegram, 499 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's another great place, along with the Twitter, to see updates regarding this project. Now, they do have a full audit by Solid Proof, and we are going to go over this token here. So this token is, we're going to go over the audit here. This token is on the base chain. On the audit, you can see their base scan. So according to their base scan, 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 8,453 DAWGZ tokens. So, eventually, when the pre-sale's over, since this is a base chain token, if everything is good and, it turns out not to be a scam, which, let's hope it's not, obviously, then eventually you will be able to get the token on Uniswap, by funding your Coinbase wallet or your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with ETH, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap. First you would bridge your ETH to Base, and then you would trade your Base for this token using the contract address that you'd be able to find on their webpage, which is basedawgz.com. So yeah, we'll go over the audit here in a second. They do have a 9-page white paper. So basically, BASEDAWGZ is a revolutionary crypto project designed for those who crave adventure and innovation. We offer a unique multi-chain experience that spans Ethereum, Solana, BSC, AVAX with seamless interoperability across these blockchains. BASEDAWGZ ensures users can navigate the decentralized world without limits. So inspired by the thrill of freedom of base jumping, so that's what the dog is doing, he's base jumping, that's why he has that little wingsuit on. It's kind of a play off of words like base chain, base jumping. BASEDAWGZ embodies the spirit of adventure and innovation by leveraging the latest technology in Web3, such as Wormhole and Portal Bridge, We ensure seamless interactions across multiple blockchain ecosystems, providing users with unparalleled multi-chain functionality. Our vision is to redefine what's possible with advanced blockchain tech. BASEDAWGZ aims to create a decentralized platform that offers users the freedom to explore, interact, and transact across multiple blockchains effortlessly. Before launching DAWGZ on Base Chain, we are offering a chance for early supporters to get a solid ground rush and participate in the pre-sale. So they have a roadmap here, starting with the socials launched, then the website goes live, contracts deployed, pre-sale begins. Phase 2 is going to be contract audit, so they do have an audit now. Then community growth, marketing, and growing the socials. Phase 3, that'll be coming after the pre-sale, is the decentralized exchange listings, like I mentioned, Uniswap earlier. CoinMarket, CoinGecko listing, BirdEye update. So BirdEye is where you'll be able to see the charts, along with DEX tools, DEX screener. Community rewards in phase 4, more marketing, central exchange listings, future development. So very much just a meme token. How the token is split up, 20% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 20% staking, you will be able to stake the token eventually, 20% liquidity, 10% listings, 15% rewards, 15% marketing. So basically they have the starting price, and then the price increases every 7 days at a rate of 5%. So that's the incentive to get into the pre-sale early. So that's what most of these pre-sales do. So there's a countdown, basically 2 days until the next price increase. They show you what one dog equals in USD. So far they've raised $530,478, it says. You can buy the token with either Base, ETH, AVAX, Sol, BSC. You connect your wallet. You put in, like, say, how much ETH you want to spend. It'll show you how many dogs you receive for that. When the pre-sale is over, you claim your tokens. They do have a how to buy section in case you don't understand what I just said. They'll show you step-by-step how to buy on their webpage, BASEDAWGZ.com. And then let's get to the audit here. So you can scroll through their audit. First of all, it says contract is not upgradable, so that's good right off the bat. Ownership is renounced, it says, another good check mark. Owner cannot mint new tokens. Owner cannot burn tokens. Owner cannot blacklist wallets. All good check marks so far. The owner cannot set fees over 25%. Owner cannot use the lock function. And so scroll down. It says no critical, no high, no medium, no low issues. Now there is a couple informational issues. And so one of them is the NAT spec documentation is missing. Another one is floating pragma solidity version. So there is a couple issues in the informational section on this audit here by Solid Proof. Keep in mind, Solid Proof is not going to go over everything. That's why they get full CertiK audits and things like that. Hackin, there's other crypto auditor sites that people, they get multiple audits. So just be aware that this might not even go over everything. But even in this contract audit, that there is a couple issues. So just be aware of that. I'm going to put that up somewhere on the screen so you guys can see the informational issues that I'm talking about. But yes, the contract is not perfect. So be aware of that. You do not want to get scammed. I'm not saying it is a scam. I'm just saying when contracts are not perfect, there is always, contract audits are not perfect. There's always the risk of being scammed. So just be aware of that. Thoroughly conduct your own research before investing in any of these ICOs, especially ones without perfect audits. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.